Welcome to our tutorial on how to download Fusion360 software. To start off, we're going to Google Autodesk. So in your internet browser, you can type into this top search bar Autodesk, A-U-T-O-D-E-S-K, then hit enter. So you're going to choose the third link, autodesk.ca, and click on that link, which will take you to the main Autodesk page. From there, first we need to make our account. So we're going to click sign in, and then hit sign in from the drop-down menu. From here, we're going to create a new account unless you already have an existing account. So we're going to enter our personal information, fill out the form, and then click create account. Once your account is created, you can then go back into this home page and type in Fusion360 in the search bar and open up the page on Fusion360 software. You're going to want to download your free trial, and then this will take you to a form, and we're not going to want our free trial for commercial use. That's for businesses. We're going to want our free trial for personal use. So you can click get started and it will start installing your Fusion software. Once that's downloaded, then you're going to want to click open the file. You're then going to right click on it and click open. You're going to follow whatever instructions the installer tells you to and wait for Fusion to open. So this is a free 1-year trial for personal use, which means that you can keep this on your computer, you can do whatever you want with it provided it's not commercial, and the license will last you for a year. Let's see, so once you open it, it'll load, it'll take a few minutes. At the end of the loading, this is the screen you're going to see, and then you're going to be able to open up the software. So once you open it initially, you're going to be prompted with this sign-in form, so you're going to sign in with the account you just made, and then it's going to welcome you to the software. You click next, then you'll be able to open up the software and start doing the project. Awesome, thanks, and good luck.